Hello everyone and welcome back to Enuven Cake and Cookies. Today we are making Besan Milk Barfi, a soft melt-in-mouth traditional sweet that's perfect for any festival or celebration. First take 2 cups of gram flour or besan. Now sieve it well. Besan Barfi has been a festive favorite in India for generations. It's believed to have originated from North India as a temple sweet. In a pan, add half cup ghee. Now add the sieved besan. Keep stirring continuously and roast on low heat. Always roast besan on low heat to avoid burning. Roast for 7 to 8 minutes until it releases a nutty aroma and turns out slightly golden. Turn off the heat, add 1/4 cup milk powder and mix well. Keep it aside. Now in another pan, add 1 cup sugar, half cup water, half teaspoon cardamom powder, and let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. Now pour the sugar syrup over the roasted besan mixture. Mix well and cook again until the mixture starts separating from the pan. Add syrup only when the besan is lightly warm, not hot. The combination of besan and ghee gives it a rich nutty flavor. Don't overcook after adding syrup, it can make the barfi hard. Grease a plate with a little oil. Pour the mixture and spread evenly. Let it cool down completely for about 1 hour. Cut into barfi pieces. Besan is rich in protein and fiber. Ghee adds healthy fats and makes it easier to digest. Milk powder boosts calcium and creaminess. It's a perfect homemade sweet with no preservative. Decorate with a silver leaf on top. And that's how you make perfect besan milk barfi at home. Rich, soft and full of festive flavor. If you love this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Enuven Cake and Cookies. Tell us in the comments which sweet would you like to see next. See you soon with another delicious homemade dessert.